Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification.
Good morning students. See, in the previous class we were dealing with the exercise 1.2. In the previous class we were solving the problems from the third main. Okay. See, the fourth one was also given as the homework for you people. Let me come to the fifth one. Okay, in the fifth main, the first one is given. It is easy. It will be given as homework. And in the fifth main, the second one I will solve. See, the question is given as the find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Okay, look at the fifth main. In the fifth main, let me solve the second one. See, the second arithmetic progression is given as, see that 18, 15 integer 1 by 2 and 13, so on up to minus 47. And here we are asked to find out the number of terms here. Okay, say we will have to find out the number of terms. Okay, so the number of terms is nothing but it is indicated by the symbol L. Okay, say let me first write the given data. Okay, say the first term it is A, which is nothing but 18. Okay, let me find out the D. D is nothing but A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Okay, it is the difference of two consecutive terms. Okay, see here D is equal to, see what is A2 given here, 15 integer 1 by 2 it is, minus A1 means 18. Okay, say this is in the form of mixed fraction. Let me convert this into improper fraction. Say 15 to the 30 plus 1 is 31 by 2 minus 18. Say here the denominator of 18 is nothing but 1. Say D is equal to, if you go for the cross multiplication or if you go to the LCM, look at the LCM of 1 and 2, it is nothing but 2 it is. So the denominator here it is 2, that's why it is 31 minus, here we will multiply by 2, 18 to the 36. Okay, so D is equal to 31 minus 36 is nothing but minus 5 divided by 2. So the D we got here is minus 5 by 2. Okay, and we are given here the AN. What is the AN given here? AN is equal to minus 47. See the AN given here it is minus 47. Nth term it is. Okay. So AN or AN it is last term or the nth term it is. So we have to find out the n number of terms here. Say let me write the formula. See what is the formula for that? AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D as you know. Okay. See what is the AN given? Minus 47. See minus 47 which is equal to, what is the A? It is nothing but 18. Plus see, since we don't know n, keep the n as it is, n minus 1. What is the D? Minus 5 by 2. Okay, see minus 47, bring this plus 18 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 18 which is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Okay, see both are having the same sign, so we have to add here. Say 7 plus 8 is equal to, is nothing but 15, 1 carry, 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6 along with minus sign. Okay, see here which is equal to n minus 1 to minus 5 by 2. Okay, so now bring this minus 5 by 2 to the left hand side, minus 6 5. Okay, if you bring this to the left hand side, it becomes the form of reciprocal form. Minus 2 by 5 is equal to minus 1. N minus 1. Okay. So here it is minus minus plus it is 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are here. 5 threes are. Okay. See 13 twos are nothing but 26, which is equal to n minus 1. Okay. So n is equal to 26 plus 1, because this minus 1 is brought to the left hand side. So n is equal to 27. So the number of terms in this arithmetic progression is nothing but 27 terms are there in that. Okay. See, this is the way how to find out the n, means the number of terms. Okay. Say in that the sixth main will be given as the homework, because it is very easy. We have to check there whether minus 150 is a term of the AP or not there. Okay. And again, as well as the seventh one. Seventh one will also be given as a homework. Say the problems which are given as the homework, if you do not understand them, you can approach me. Okay. And let me show you that the eighth one. Okay. Look at the eighth one. See the homework problems, if you do not understand, you have to approach. Okay. See the eighth one given in that. See in eighth one, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Say, let me first write the given data in that. Say it is given an AP is consisting of 50 terms. It means it is consisting of 50 terms, n is equal to 50. And the third term is given as 12. A3 is equal to 12. Okay. And the last term is given as 106. Last term is indicated by the AL. Okay. Last term is indicated by AL, which is equal to 106. And we have to find out the 829. We have to find out the 29th term in that. Okay. See, we are given the third term and the last term and the number of terms. Okay, 3 elements we are given. We will have to find out the 29th term in that. Okay. See here, I can write A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. See, we are given by A3, which is equal to 12. Okay. So we don't know A, so keep it as D. And we know what is n. N is nothing but 3. Okay. 3 minus 1, we don't know D. Okay. 12 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2D. Okay. So let it be the equation number 1. Okay. And we know the last term AL is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. What is the AL we have given? It is 106, which is equal to, we don't know, A plus, see here, we are given the n, because this is the last term. So how many terms are there total? 50 terms they are given. Okay. So 50 minus 1, we don't know D, so keep it as it is. Okay. See 106, which is equal to A plus 50 minus 1D is nothing but 49 D. Okay. Let it be the equation number 2. Okay. See, we are now we got the two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay. Let me subtract the first equation in the second equation. Okay. See here only I will write subtract equation number 1 from equation 2. Okay. See, let me write here. See, the second equation we got, it is 106 is equal to a plus 49b. Okay. This is the second equation. And what is the first equation we got? 12 is equal to a plus 2d. A plus 2d. Okay. Same, while subtracting, I had told in the previous class too, we will have to change the signs of the second equation in case of subtraction only. Okay. So here it is plus, we will have to make it minus. Okay. So here it is minus, here it is minus. We will have to change the signs. Okay. See here 106 minus 12. Okay. 6 minus 2 it is 4. 10 minus 1 it is 9. 1 carry, it is equal to 0. Okay, which I got as the 94. Okay, here say plus minus, plus a minus a, they cancel out each other. Okay, see 49d minus 2d it is. Okay, which is nothing but 47d. Okay, so d is equal to, see here, see let me write here 94. Bring this 47 to the left hand side. See, which is equal to, which comes under in the denominator. Okay. See here, 47 ones are 47 twos are it is. Okay. So d is equal to 2 we got. Okay. See, when we got the 2, by putting the value of d in any of the equations, we will get the a. See, let me put the value of d in the second equation. See, what is the second equation given? 12 is equal to a plus 2 into d. Okay. See, 12 is equal to, we don't know, a plus 2 means is nothing but, sorry, 2 into d is nothing but 2. Okay. So 12 which is equal to a plus 2 to the 4 into. Bring this 4 to the left hand side. If you bring, it becomes 12 minus 4 is equal to a. So a is equal to a to the 1. Okay. See, now we came to know the first term, we came to know the common difference. So now it becomes very easy for us to find out the 29th term. See, if you have written this, I will rub this one. Okay. See, let me write in this. See here, you have to just find out the 29th term, isn't it? Say a29 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Say, since we don't know a29, okay, so keep it as it is. A29, we know a. What is the a we got? 8 it is plus. See, what is the n? Because we have to find out the 29th term. So n is nothing but 29 minus 1. Okay. So what is the d we got? Is 2. Okay. See, a29 is equal to 8 plus 29 minus 1 is nothing but 28 into 2. So a29 is equal to 8 plus, say 22 into 2. 28 into 2. Okay. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry. Okay. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 56. Okay. See, a29 is equal to, okay, 56 plus 8 is nothing but 64. So this is our 29th term. Okay. Say, we are given here the 3 element, the third term is given, the last term is given, and the number of terms. See, here we were asked to find out the 29th term in that. Okay. Say, first we came to know the first term, then we then we got the common difference. Say, with the help of the first term and the common difference, we came to know the 29th term. Okay. See, let me solve another one in that. Say, let me go further. Say, now I just solved the 8th one. Let me solve in the 9th and 10th will be given as the homework. So let me solve the 11th one in that. Okay. So the 11th question it is given as which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. Okay. Saying that we will have to just find out the 54th term. Okay. After that we will have to try it. Okay. Same this 11th one and the 12th one I will solve in the next classes. Okay. So the 9th and 10th problems and the 6th and 7th problems will be given as the homework. You will have to try at home by your own. If you do not understand, you have to approach me. Okay. Okay, thanks.